Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gunjan Daga, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't yet visited my Instagram profile, I'm going to share the link in the description. Do check it out. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about all the basic tools or the materials that you require if you're a beginner in charcoal sketching and you want to experiment with this medium. Okay, I've got a lot of recommendations for this video. So I've tried to simplify it as much as I could, and according to me, these are the basic things that you need if you want to begin with this medium. Okay, now see, we have a lot of materials that we use. Okay, may that be brushes, may that be pencils, there are a lot of things that we use, but itna kafi hai aapko. Okay, now the first thing about the sheets. Now, few of you might have this thought that you just want to experiment, so you can use a normal sheet. And the reason why I recommend you to use a professional sheet right in the beginning stage is because imagine the result that you're going to get if you use a normal printout sheet and then you use a sketching sheet. Okay, so you will get to know the character of the sheet, and you will also see that the result is much more better, obviously. So these are the two sheets that I can recommend. One is the Brustro 200 GSM. This is A5. You can opt for any other size. This is 200 GSM Brustro sketching sheets, medium surface, and this is another recommendation. Fabriano 120 GSM. Okay, you could opt for any. Now we've covered sheets. The very next material that you're going to need are obviously charcoal pencils. Okay, now it's not necessary that you have to buy all the expensive art materials in order to make a good artwork. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I have been using this since the very beginning, and it still has a place in my kit. These are Apsara charcoal pencils, and it's what, only $55, and it comes in these. It's a pack of 3 pencils, soft, medium, and hard. And these are good. If you're a beginner, if you want to just experiment, you can definitely go for this. Okay, there's absolutely ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि ये एकदम अच्छा काम नहीं करता है. नहीं, it's satisfactory. You can opt for these. And if you want to invest slightly more for a better set of pencils, you can opt for these Brustro woodless charcoal pencils. They are a set of 6 pencils. Okay, so you could opt for either. Actually, other than Apsara, even Camlin has a set of 3 pencils, and I'm sure a lot of you must already be having that pack. They are nice, you can opt for that. Okay, the next is the charcoal stick. Now, this is Camel charcoal stick, and it's compressed. Okay, guys, do not get confused, and I don't want you guys to procure the willow stick, because willow stick has a different function altogether. The willow stick will never give you a dark tone. Okay, since willow stick being the lightest form of charcoal, the most natural form of charcoal, it's gonna give you a very light tone. So for all the dark tones and the medium and the lights, you can manage it with this stick. This is Camel charcoal compressed stick, and I've been using it since a lot of years actually. And those of you who are curious to know about charcoal dust, I wouldn't recommend you to use charcoal dust right in the beginning stage, but if you want to, then just break this into a small piece and rub that piece on a newspaper or a rough paper. The dust that will be there, you can use that. Okay, so you don't have to separately again buy charcoal dust. Okay, and also, having said that, if at all you're buying charcoal dust, do not buy the Creta color charcoal dust boxes, because that's again willow dust. It will never give you a dark tone. Now, let's come to the next thing that you guys need. Are these paper stumps to blend, obviously. Now, there are 2 recommendations I have. You could either go for the Derwent paper stumps. These are nice. They come in a pack of 3. Super soft and very nice blend. Very happy with this. And the second are these Brustro paper stumps. These are a set of 5, the plus point. So you could go for any. Now, the next thing that you need for the highlights, right? These erasers are few of them that I've been using, and in fact I have a complete detailed video on all the erasers that I've been using. You can check it out. And you need pencil erasers, right, for all the highlights. I have these. This is Derwent this is Stedler, this is Faber-Castell, and this is Kohinoor. Now I do not know that why does Kohinoor always, the body of Kohinoor always splits up whenever I sharpen. I don't know if it happens with you people also, let me know in the comment section. But Kohinoor is the best according to me. It gives me amazing highlights. So you could opt for any of these pencil erasers, any one is fine. And for finer highlights, now Tombow Mono Zero Eraser, I wouldn't say कि अगर आप beginner हो तो आपको चाहिए ही चाहिए. मतलब if you just want to know the character of charcoal as a medium, then I don't think so that you need it immediately. But this is surely good for all the finer details that we give. Only if you want to get into detailings, then this. And kneaded eraser is a must have if you're a beginner, because it helps you to remove the excess layers of charcoal. So I have spoken about all of this in a previous video upon erasers. You can go through it. So kneaded eraser and pencil eraser, for sure you should be having. Tombow Mono Zero eraser, I'm sorry, it's completely an optional thing for you. If you think that you want to start with a lot of detailings and everything, you can definitely buy this. And for beginners, battery eraser is one thing that makes you very curious, okay? And I would not advise you to start using this at once, because you need to understand the tones very well before you start using this for all your extreme white highlights, okay? So try making few sketches, try getting accustomed to the different tones in your work, and only then you can come to this, okay? I know it's all fascinating and very easy to give highlights, but thoda aur mehnat karna, and then you can use this for your extreme white highlights, okay? I think I have covered all of this. Oh yes, fixative. You need to seal your work, okay? There are two fixatives. Actually, see, in the beginning stage you can use Arfina, but for later on, if you are in that what do you say, in that zone where you're creating like really good sketches, do not use Arfina, because it creates a white layer over the sketch which has to be then manually removed, and also it makes your tone slightly dull by 1 grade, okay? So I would recommend Brustro. For the beginner stage, you can go for Arfina, it's completely okay. And Brustro is good too. I use Brustro to seal all of my sketches. Now, slight personal advices over here. If you're all set now to experiment with charcoal as a medium. Now, charcoal is a very messy medium, guys, okay? Hands down on that. It will create a lot of black patches on your table, on your clothes, and even on your skin. So make sure that you use these kind of hard boards. These are called drawing boards, easily available in all offline stores and online. Buy one of this hardboard. Seal your sheet over this by using a masking tape, okay? By this, you're gonna create lesser mess. In fact, I have a video on this also, that how can you handle charcoal in a better manner. So you can check that out, that also. Now, I guess this is all that I had to cover, guys. Do let me know that is there any video recommendation from your end, something that you would want me to talk about, and I would be coming back with another video very soon. Thank you guys for watching.